Hello. Right, today what we're going to do is factorize 4 terms. So please make sure you know how to do this because you are going to get something like this in the exam. So I'm going to show you using the box method. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw a box and I'm going to set up into 4 sections. Now I have to figure out what to put into each box, but one of these terms is going to be put into each box. All right, 4 terms, okay? But how do I know which goes to which? So how I do this is I have to select 2 numbers to multiply together. And when I get an answer, it must be the same as the other 2 numbers multiplied together. So what I mean by that is if I picked 3ab and I multiply it to plus 2ac. So I have 3ab multiplied by 2ac. I'm going to end up with 3 times 2, which is 6, a by a, which is a squared, and then b and c, which is just going to turn out to be c. Okay, so hopefully when I take my other 2 terms and multiply them together, I have to end up with this. Okay, if I don't, then it's not right. So minus 6c, multiply that by a squared b. And it's a minus a squared b. Okay, so you have to put the minuses in. Minus by a minus is a plus. 6 by 1 is 6. And you'll see a squared is there, a single c and a b. So a squared bc. So you see the way they're both the exact same. So because that they are the same, that means they are the right partners. So they're the right partners. So how I work out then is I take the 3ab. It doesn't matter which one I start with. I'm just going to take the first one here, 3ab. And its matching number must go on the diagonal. So this must be 2ac. Okay, and then it doesn't matter which one I picked first to go into the top box, but I'm just going to pick the first digit, first term. So 4 minus 6c, and the next one is minus a squared b. Okay, after that then we've got the setup. We just have to start doing the area model. So what I do is I'm going to find a common denominator between this and this term to put here. Okay, so what's common between 3ab and minus c is the only thing that's common is the number 2. Number 3. So 3 into 3ab leaves me with ab, and 3 into minus 6c is minus 2c. Okay, 3 into 6 is 2, minus, and the c comes up because there's nothing to cancel them out. All right, now this should hopefully work well, is that I have to take an a and a b out of this here. So I still have my minus because there's minus, nothing to cancel out. A cancels out one of my a's to leave an a, and the b cancels out the b, so I'm left with minus a. And then hopefully, if I'm right, I've all the areas covered. Minus 2c times minus a, minus by a minus makes plus 2, a, c, c. So when I multiply this by this, I end up with plus 2ac. So my answer then is basically the top box, top things together. So that's what a, b minus 2c. And then the side, which is 3 minus a. And it doesn't matter which one I put first. And that's the answer done. Okay, so please make sure you do that. I'm going to give more on the sheet for work in class tomorrow, so please practice them. This is a guarantee to come up, so please make sure you know how to do it.